students, in this video we will learn how to draw a pie chart. The data is given here. Draw a pie chart, pie diagram to represent the following population in a town. The number of men is 2000, women is 1800, number of girls is 4200, boys are 2000, so the total comes 10,000. Okay, so let us begin. Number of men is 2000. After that, total is written below this and then multiplied to 360 degrees. Similarly, women, it is 1800. Below that, total and multiplied to 360 degrees. After that, girls, it is 4200 divided by total multiply by 360 degrees. And lastly, boys is also 2000 divided by total multiply by 360 degrees. Now let us start the calculation. These three zeros will be cancelled. This 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 36 gives you 72 degree. And 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 2 nines is 18 and 2 fives is 10. 9 6 are 54, 9 3 are 27, plus 5 is 32 divided by 5. 324 divided by 5. It gives you 64.8. The round off value of 64.8 is 65 degrees. Next we have 3 zeros here in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Now 2 21s is 42, 2 5s is 10. Now 21 into 36 gives you 756 divided by 5. 756 divided by 5 gives you 151.2. Now 151.2, its round off value is 151 itself. Okay. Again, boys sector, 1 2 3 4 zeros are here, 1 2 3 4 zeros are here. So 2 into 36 again gives you 72 degrees. Now if you sum up 72, 65, 151 and 72, you get 360 degree. If the sum of these degrees does not come 360 degree, then the calculation is wrong. Okay, so you can verify it yourself after adding. Now I am going to draw pie chart for this. For pie diagram, we have to draw a circle, because the meaning of pi is circle. circle chart. This is known as circle chart also. Using compass is must. This is the center point. Now we'll take a radius. The first sector is of 72 degree of number of men. So we'll use a protractor. Keep it here. 72 degrees. We'll start with here, okay? This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So 72 degree is here. Mark a point here and then join the line. So the first sector is completed. Draw an angle here. Write 72 degree and number of men. So write here men. Okay. Now the second sector was 65 degrees of women. 65 degrees. Now let me turn the copy little. Now take it as 0 and mark 65 over it. 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 65 is here. Make a point here and draw the line. Yes, this is 65 degrees. Draw an angle here. Write 65 and write woman. Okay, next is girls 151 degrees. 151 degree is an obtuse angle. So after 90, beyond 90 I will get 151. This is 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 151 degrees here. Now I am joining the point with the center point. This is 151 degrees. And lastly, the leftover sector itself is 72 degrees. Okay. So here I'll write girls. And this is 72 degree. This is number of boys. Let me verify whether it is 72 or not. Yes, this is exactly 72 degrees. Okay. So students, this is the required pie chart. you can use pen for writing this. For writing you will use pen, and for this these sector lines and this circle you will use pencil only. Thank you.